I'm just going to boil this up because I'm trying to cook these things. So, I'm just going to... There you go. So you can see the boiling. If you can see it. There you go. So you can see the boiling. Okay, good. Oh my gosh, boiling. Okay. Okay. Okay, to wait for there you go. There. First with the yellow one. Pencil canton. Pencil canton. Pencil canton. There you go. Like these are the patches. Like that. Wait, let me just wash my knee.
Nung nabalagi po ako for almost 8 months, halos every day po ako dito. Naisip ko po na,
It is.
parang mag-quit na lang po sa show business.
I just threw my head.
Nung nakita ko po yung pagod, burnout, parang halos wala po talaga for 18 years. So, doon ko po naramdaman na dito na lang ako titira sa bundok.
Kaya hindi sa may...
Kumukulo na? Nilagay mo na?
Hinain ko lang. Hinain ko lang.
Hinaan.
Ay, hinain ko lang.
Sinain ko lang.
Ano ang kanta mo sa kabugatan?
Wala pa yan?
Oh, that's time. Stop. No. No. So, I'm just going to post another video.